내가 먼저 픽한 거야. 내가 어떻게 하다가
Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. So today I decided to go out. And I had a look around where I wanted to go, or better yet, what I wanted to show you. And I decided to go to Itaewon. From me, I can simply take the subway and go straight to Itaewon, which was not the case the last 2 or 3 times I was staying here in Seoul. Those times I would have to go like to one station and then to the next station. It was always like slightly complicated, not complicated, but it would have taken like a long time. And now I'm very lucky to just go into the metro station, take the train, and it took me like 10 minutes from where I am. Now, a lot of you might have heard of Itaewon. Well, probably everyone has heard of Itaewon because of the stampede that happened there. But for me, I have been there before, but it's not really my cup of tea. But I wanted to show it to you. If you ever come here, I think it's a good place to go when you want to go out. I tried to film as much as I could and try to show you as much as I could in the daytime because I'm not really the clubbing girl, so I decided to do it now. And I think what you can see is similar to Yeonnam-dong when we were there, where we had a lot of cool cafes to go to and a lot of cool restaurants. In Itaewon, you have a lot of cool bars and like clubs, things that also look different and feel different. So it was a lot of fun walking around there, even in the daytime, because simply for taking pictures of like great architectural buildings. So yeah, it was fun, but today it was a really weird weather. It took like 5 minutes and I was sweating through and through. The temperature itself is not that hot, but because it's so humid, because it had rained the day before, and it's still like in the process of going to rain any minute now, it's really, really humid, and that makes you, at least it makes me sweat way faster, but okay. So yeah, I walked around Itaewon, I walked around the antique furniture street, which is in Itaewon or close to Itaewon, and then I came back home because I simply was melting and I was no longer happy being outside. So yeah. Also, my day started by, I wanted to put on my favorite skirt, which is behind me right now, and I realized that the last time I wore it, it got caught in the escalator and I could feel it, but it didn't rip or anything, so I just pulled it out and it was fine. At least I thought it was fine. I came home, it was already dark, I just took it off and went for my day and just hung it somewhere. And when I put it on today, I realized there were large, like the whole bottom of my skirt was like covered in grease from the escalator. So yeah, my day started by scrubbing that skirt. I'm so glad I always carry soap with me, like I don't know what the English word is, but in German it's Kernseife, and I always carry that around with me when I'm traveling in like a block, because it's the best thing to get stains out of anything. It's like the old-fashioned way of cleaning your clothes. So I used that. I used like a brush that's in the bathroom that's used for cleaning the bathtub and the sink, because that bathroom only has a bathtub and a sink, and the toilet is that way, so don't worry, it never touched the toilet. And yeah, and afterwards I had to clean of course the tub, because all the dirty water was stuck in the tub, and now I had to get the grease out of the tub. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, walking around Itaewon was a good thing for today after that hassle, because I just walked around. I took pictures from I took a lot of pictures of different kinds of bars and houses and architecture, because that was a lot of fun. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, I am not going to go there at night. That's really not my cup of tea. Especially being by myself. I might do it with a friend, but even then, I like being at home at night. I'm not a big fan of big crowds, so yeah. We will never know, because I'm here by myself. I'm not going to go there at nights. I will rather go to the Han River at night. Although right now you shouldn't do that either. You never know when the rain's coming, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my evening now. I hope you are having a great day. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next vlog. Whatever I will do, I don't know yet. Until then, bye!